Moving on to USD Swiss, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structuring towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. We've seen a liquidation of this high here, we've seen a break of the demand zone, but we then failed to put in a new lower low before retracing up higher again. What we then seen is we've seen an internal break of structure up, where we have now swept the liquidity above the swing high itself, which I would anticipate to cause some form of a pullback and maybe look towards a connection towards this demand zone, or even take the liquidity from the low itself. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we are starting to see signs of weakness in price. We've seen our 4-hour break of structure. This is our swing low, this is our swing high. We've got this choppy price action that's sort of in towards the downside. We've not got any clean points of liquidity until here or here, which I would then be anticipating could look for that next upside move. But on the daily, we could need a deeper retracement down towards that daily point of liquidity that we spoke about just a moment ago. Moving on to USD Yen, we can see that we have sold off a little bit this morning. This is still the position I'm thinking about. I've not entered it yet. I think this sell-off is in relation to intervention talks, and also I think the dollar just in general sold off a little bit this morning, which has seen USDJPY dump a little bit. But at the moment, this could just easily be a liquidation to start pushing us up higher again. As you can see, we've got wicks like this here, here, here. It's been happening frequently, so we want to wait until we see that deep downside to know that the intervention has actually taken place. And then for the final major dollar pair, we've got USDCAD. On the daily time frame, we can see we've had that break of structuring towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We have seen this internal structure pushing us up higher, but we are very overextended now. We haven't had a deep pullback for a long time, and there is no clear points of liquidity. We've got a liquidity low here, and the next one is all the way down here. Now, I don't necessarily anticipate we drop all the way down to 137.749 before then seeing any upside, and therefore it's just a very difficult pair to trade at the moment. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that our most recent 4-hour break of structure was this one here. This is our swing low, this is our swing high. We have got some points of liquidity here that we could look to target, like these, for example. These are all liquidity lows that I would anticipate that next drive up. However, because this would be a daily area of demand, any positions that come from inside this box would be a higher probability play. So I'm just going to monitor price and see how it reacts from these levels.